I'm Mark Scholero, the owner of MS Classic Cars. Today I have the pleasure of presenting you an absolutely stunning 1976 Pontiac Firebird. This car has been completely customized from top to bottom. It was the product of a complete rotisserie restoration. Absolutely beautiful body, beautiful black paint. The car's got a custom interior, leather-wrapped dashboard, beautiful steering wheel console. The engine compartment's highly detailed. It's home to the original matching numbers 350 that was stroked to a 383. 430 horsepower, sounds great. It's fuel injected, great exhaust, great suspension, big brakes, just an awesome car. For a complete description with tons of photos, you got to check it out on our website at msclassiccars.com. I'm going to go ahead and start the car. Let you listen to how cool it sounds. Dakota Digital gauges.